Reit de, mae'n amser I wneud y dynfa. Y dynfa ar gyfer mis Medi. So it's the September names in the draw, and the draw's been done this evening in October at the Harvest Supper in Hermon in the hall. Everybody wave. There they are, waving in the background. So we've just had the Harvest Supper, and Sharon was our chef extraordinaire. So she will pick the number for the £100 first prize. Beth yw e, Sharon?
31.
Hold it up to show us. 31, 31, number 31. So who has won 31? Jennifer is here looking at the list. Chris Howells, Cwm Gwaun has £100. Da iawn, Chris. Ac nawr, second prize, ail wobr, Sharon, eight deep, yeah. £28, 28 for £30. Michelle Fletcher yw fe? Llwyn Draen, £30 to Michelle. So, well done, Michelle. So, it's been £100, but the draw for December, all those names in December, the draw then will be drawn beginning of January 2022, and the first prize for that draw will be £1,000. Brilliant. So, so get your names in on the standing order or online form, and then you have a chance of winning £1,000 in beginning of January. So, llongyfarchiadau, thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Goodbye, everyone.